So today's challenge is circular sentences. A sentence is a list of words that is separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. So, as it's given in the question, only a single space is provided between any two words of the sentences. So, we can use the split function in Python to just split the whole sentence into words. So, I'm just going to write it sentence dot split. So this is the first step. I have like separated all the words in the sentence. Now, as it asks us, words will only consist of uppercase and lowercase English letters. And the condition which we have to satisfy is this: the last character of the word is equal to the first character of the next word. So basically, we have already shown us here that Leetcode each sold. So the last character E is equal to the first character of the second word E, and the last character of the second word S is the first character of the third word soul. So basically, we have to iterate over these the words list which we have created. So let's just do that. Iterate over it. And now the condition which we have to check is if words of the I word basically is not equals to the word at I plus 1 0. Last, see the last character of the first word and the first character of the word next to the previous one. This is what the condition checks. And I'll just return straight away return false. I even find one of the adjacent two words where this condition is not satisfying. And if I get out of this loop, that means every adjacent pair satisfies the condition, I'll just return to outside of the loop. So let's check if this is running properly. Okay. Just index arguments. Okay, so we also have to check whether it is circular. Basically, modding this will give us values in between 0 to n minus 1. So the list index will never go out of range like this. This was it. Okay, so all the test cases are. So this was today's problem. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.